Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a turmeric tea. Now this turmeric tea is going to help you so much to remove your fats. It's going to reduce the fat cells in your body as a whole, and it's also going to concentrate on those fats that fat shouldn't be there, like your stomach and your hands. Okay, so you go try this and give it time to work. Okay, if you want to see all of the ingredients that I put in here, stay put and don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share the video. And now let's go. For an effective belly fat remedy, you're gonna be needing to use garlic. All right, now garlic is very effective for this home remedy because it helps so much for the skin. All right, so I had to use this big knife because I can't find some of my small knife. I don't even know where they are right now. So I know some of you guys are going to leave the video and comment about this big knife. So I'm actually going to be using it to scrape this ginger. Did I say garlic? Sorry guys, I've said garlic all along. Ginger guys, not garlic. Okay, so it helps for cold, flu, cough and catarrh. Yeah, so okay, so after peeling it all up, now I would have to be cutting it up into tiny pieces. And this is it. So after doing that, then we'll have to be turning that into a pot. So you excuse my pot and don't talk about my pot, okay? Okay, so then we're gonna be needing garlic. Garlic is actually very important for this. Okay, so we're gonna be heating it open so that we'll be putting all of the fullness of it into this pot. Yeah, now you need garlic a whole lot. Yeah, you need garlic a whole lot. Now after breaking that, I'll literally be using my hand to just open everything up. Yeah, it's gonna be simple after breaking it just like that. Need more garlic. That's if you're gonna be keeping this ingredients, if you're gonna be cooking it and keeping it. Yeah, you need more garlic in it because you're gonna be re-cooking it. Okay, so after doing this, then I would have to be using my knife, and then I'll have to be cutting it like that. Okay, then I'll pack it and put it inside the pot. Then I'm going to get some water. I'm going to put in about 2 tablespoons of water, and this is what I need. Okay, so we're going to be putting it on the pot, and for this you have to allow it to cook for like 3 to 5 minutes, okay, before you remove it from the pot. So I'm actually going to be waiting for it to cook, and then I'll be right back to show you other ingredients. This is it guys, it's been boiling for like 3 to 5 minutes, and what I'm going to do now is that you're going to turn it into a cup just like that. And the first thing you're gonna be needing to put in is honey. Okay, this is actually going to help to sweeten the taste, but I'm not going to be putting it right now. You're going to be needing to use apple cider vinegar. The apple cider vinegar would help so much in making this treatment work effectively. It's going to help so much to wash down all of the fat cells, mixing it up with this ginger and garlic hot water. So what we're going to be putting in here is going to be 2 cups of this. Okay, 2 cups of the apple cider vinegar. Now because there is no any other very strong ingredient here, that's why you need 2 cups of apple cider vinegar. And now you can be putting in the honey. Okay, so you're going to be this honey is optional. If you want this treatment to work really fast, as soon as possible, you have to drink it this way. Okay, but if you want to sweeten the taste a little bit, you're going to be using honey. You're going to be putting honey in here, and then you're going to be stirring it all up. Now the honey is actually going to help to change the color of this drink, and this is really great. Okay, so you drink this morning and afternoon and evening for 2 weeks, and let me know how it is, because this is actually very effective. Now it's actually going to help to occupy your stomach. You're not going to be drinking too much of soda and stuff if you want this treatment to really work. And reduce the intake of fatty food, guys. Okay, because you have to reduce the intake for this to work, because if you don't reduce the intake, it's as if you're taking this and it's removing your fat and then you're consuming more fat. Okay, so reduce the intake and you are good to go. Okay, so try this out and you're gonna be loving it. Okay guys, so that's it guys. That is actually a very simple and effective home remedy for this, and it's actually like a ginger and garlic tea. Okay, and it's very helpful. Okay, even without putting turmeric in it, you can still use it, because I skipped turmeric. Yeah, I forgot. Okay, so this is actually very nice and lovely, and you are gonna be enjoying it, and equally is gonna be removing fats. Okay, so that's it. If you do enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video, and I will see you again. Bye guys, and stay beautiful and safe. Ciao.